So, Lord, brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Welcome back to this lesson is diazonium salt, cyanide and isocyanide. What is the major uses for diazonium salt? Diazonium salt, it is used as a standard reagent in the synthesis of organic compound, especially aryl derivatives. This is point number 1. Point number 2, it is used in preparation of laboratory reagent like phenylhydrazine. This is point number 2. Point number 3, it is used to manufacture azo dyes. This what are the general formula, what are the preparation, physical property going to discuss. First one, general formula. What is the general formula for diazonium salt? R N double bond N X. Here R may be called as alkyl or aryl compounds. That is R N double bond N X. Here A R N double bond N X. Comparatively alkyl and aryl, which one is more stable? Aryl compound is more stable than compared to the alkyl compound because of stabilized by the resonance. Another one, diazonium. What is the meaning for diazonium? Di meaning 2 nitrogen. Azo mean nitrogen double bond N. These are coloring compounds. Ionium mean which carry the positive charge. Another one, this one is X most leaving group. Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, HSO4 minus, NO3 minus. These are the general formula. Next, stability. Aryl diazonium compound more stable than alkyl diazonium compound due to stabilized by the resonance. This group are electron withdrawal group, withdraw electron density from the benzene ring. This bond is separated. This becomes this nitrogen which carrying the negative charge, this one which carrying the positive charge, benzene ring which carrying the positive charge. This aryl compound structure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. number of resonances as possible. This one is more stable. But alkyl nature there is no stabilized by the resonance, so less stable. For example, R N double bond N X R, this is a positive charge. No stabilized by the resonance, but this one undergoes stabilized by the resonance. Comparatively, aryl diazonium compound more stable than alkyl diazonium compound due to stabilized by the resonance. Another one is instability. Here, this aromatic compound, these are aliphatic compounds. This one is aryl carbocation or phenyl carbocation. This alkyl carbocation. Aryl or phenyl carbocation unstable or unstable, then compared to the alkyl carbocation because of lower tendency to removal of nitrogen gas. This known as what? Instability. This known as what? Stability. Another one is preparation of diazonium compounds. Preparation of diazonium compound is a best method, diazotation. This is an exothermic reaction. What are the compounds undergo diazotation? Diazotation nothing but amino group directly attached to the benzene nucleus. React with the nitrous acid. How to prepare nitrous acid? Nitrous acid can be prepared from the sodium nitrate or mineral acid. HCl or H2SO4. In the presence of HCl, this reaction takes place at the ice cold condition. Temperature is 273 to 278 Kelvin. How to react? Nitrogen carrying 2 hydrogen, this is a bromamine. Bromamine carrying 2 hydrogen. How to write the nitrous acid like that? Here, this water molecule can be removed. Another one is OH group and hydrogen can be removed as a water. What's the product is? Phenyl group N double bond NCl to formation of plus 2 times of water. Here 1 times of water, here 1 more times of water, 2 times of water. This name is called benzene diazonium chloride. Another one, aliphatic compounds. Aliphatic compound CH3NH2 react with nitrous acid HONO2. How to write this one? O double bond NOH is here removal of water molecules. Product is CH3N double bond NOH group. Aromatic compound undergoes stabilized by the resonance. Aliphatic compound does not undergo stabilized by the resonance. Unstable compounds. Unstable compound removal of nitrogen. Nitrogen can be removed as a nitrogen gas. Final product is CH3OH plus N2. Another one, This name benzyl amine. React with the nitrous acid HNO2. How to write the nitrous acid? O double bond N OH. Removal of water molecules. Hydrogen from is a amine, oxygen from the nitrous acid to formation of N double bond N OH. This unstable. This decomposes with elimination of nitrogen gas to formation of CH2OH. Here. This name benzyl alcohol. Here, diacylation is what the best method it is to preparation of benzene diacetyl chloride. So, what are the compound undergo preparation of benzene diacetyl chloride? This option 1 aniline, this methylamine, this benzylamine. This best one is aniline. Why is aniline undergo diacylation? Mean amino group directly attached to the benzene nucleus. This amino group attached to the side chain is a side chain compound undergo converted into phenol. This amino group directly attached to the benzene nucleus converted to diazonium compounds. Next, physical property. This name benzene diazonium chloride, colorless crystalline solid, is a readily soluble in water. In the presence of water, key point is a boiling. This reaction undergo SN1 mechanism. What is the SN1? Is a unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. There are two steps. First step, formation of carbocations to formation of HOH. C6H5OH plus N2 plus HCl. This method is to preparation of phenol, benzene diacetyl chloride, colorless crystalline solid, readily soluble in water to formation of phenol. This is what aromatic alcohol. Another one. This name benzene diazonium fluoroborate is an insoluble water stable at room temperature. At room temperature. This one now stable at the ice cold condition. These are the physical property. Another one is a chemical property. Chemical property. Benzene diazonium compound highly reactive like a Grignard reagent due to better leading group of diazonium compounds. This group can be replaced or substituted by some other groups like Br minus, Cl minus, I minus, OH minus, Cn minus, etc. This is a chemical property. Another one point is this group involved in retention of the configuration. This reaction involved retention of diazonium compound. This name is called a coupling reaction. Another one is another reduction. These are the chemical property. First chemical property is a replacement reaction. C6H5 N double bond N is a this one which carrying the negative charge, this one which carrying the positive charge. This bond is a weak bond, so break C6H5 N double bond N positive charge plus X minus. Nitrogen carrying the positive charge means this acts as electrophile. Electrophile means electron deficient group able to is what attack from the electron rich species. Further is what the reactor. This step is a slow step. Slow step nothing but RDS. Rate determining step. This bond is a weak bond. Removal of C6H5 positive charge plus nitrogen gas can be removed. This name is what? Phenyl carbocation. C6H plus C6H5 plus phenyl carbocation first react with water. Water acts as a best nucleophile attacking this carbon to formation of C6H5 OH and a removal of H plus. This reaction involves SN1 mechanism, formation of phenol. Another one is treated with cyanide compounds. There is a negative charge, positive charge to formation of C6H5 Cl minus. Another treated with there is what X minus. X means halogen, maybe iodine, bromine or chlorine. To formation of C6H5 is a X. Preparation of is a organic compound. Another method replacement by the hydrogen. Replacement by the hydrogen, this method name is called deamination. What is the deamination reaction is? First one, alkaline solution of stannous chloride or sodium stannite for equation C6H5 N double bond N Cl. React with any one of the reagent, so Na2 SnO2 in the presence of water. How does this reaction takes place? Here hydrogen react with this compound. Oxygen react with this compound. This bond is a break. What is the product? C6H5 plus hydrogen to formation of benzene plus removal of HCl plus Na2SnO3. Sodium stannite converted to sodium stannate, preparation of benzene. Another one method, by using hypophosphorus acid in the presence of Cu+. Cu+ acts as a catalyst at room temperature. C6H5 N double bond N Cl react with this compound H3BO2 plus water. Again hydrogen react with this compound, this bond undergo break, oxygen react with this bond to formation of C6H6 plus HCl plus H3PO3. H3PO2 converted into H3PO3. There is a hypophosphorus acid. This name is called phosphorus acid or orthophosphorus acid. This name is benzene. Another method from ethanol, CH3, CH2, OH. C6H5 N double bond N Cl react with CH3, CH2, OH. This reaction is an oxidation reaction. This two hydrogen can be removed as a hydrogen. This bond is a break to formation of C6H5, C6H6 plus HCl plus CH3, CH2. It's an alcohol converted into aldehyde. Instead of ethanol, we got right methanol. So number of alkyl group is increase means this reaction takes place deamination. Less number of alkyl group to formation of ether. C6H5OCl3 plus N2 plus HCl. Here N2 solid product, here also N2 nitrogen gas can be replaced. This reaction known as a replacement by the hydrogen, another name called as a deamination reaction. Next, replacement by the halogen. Another method is replacement by the halogen. Replacement by the halogen, there are different methods. First method is a Sandmeyer method. What is a Sandmeyer method? C6H5 N double bond N X react with cuprous chloride. Formula CuCl or Cu2Cl. React in the presence of HCl to formation of C6H5 Cl N2 plus Cux. For example, C6H5 N double bond N Cl in react in different way. First one CuCl HCl to formation of C6H5 Cl N2 plus X minus. Another one in the presence of CuBr, that is a HBr, is a chlorine can be replaced by the Br, C6H5 Br plus N2 is a X minus. X means halogen, that is a Cl minus, Cl minus. Another one is a CuCN, is a HCl to formation of C6H5 Cn plus N2 plus Cn minus. This method is what? Sandmeyer method is a phenyl cyanide. Phenyl cyanide, it is also is a special type of Sandmeyer method. Here C6H5 double bond N undergo hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis. Undergo acid hydrolysis means Cn group converted into carboxylic acid. C6H5COOH. How to react in this reaction? C6H5 double bond N water in the presence of H plus C6H5 C double bond O NH2. This bond break, oxygen H2. Further is what? Hydrolysis, that is acidic hydrolysis. This bond break OH H C6H5 COOH plus removal of ammonia. Here Cn converted into COH group by using the acid hydrolysis catalyst. Another one C6H5 triple bond N reduction. Reduction means in the presence of H plus lithium aluminum hydride or sodium ethanol is a Cn converted into CH2 NH2. Hydrogen, hydrogen. This bond break, hydrogen, hydrogen. Common hydrogen use 4 hydrogen. So C6H5 CH2 NH2. Cn converted into CH2 NH2 by using the catalyst lithium aluminum hydride or sodium ethanol. This is a conversion. Cyanide converted to carboxylic acid by using the acidic hydrolysis. Cyanide converted into is what? Amine by using the reduction in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. Another method, Garderman reaction. Same C6H5 N double bond N Cl copper in the presence of HCl. Here copper powder. The formation of C6H5 Cl plus N2 plus X minus. X minus nothing but halogen. Cl minus. C6H5 N double bond N Cl. In the presence of copper, HCl to formation of C6H5 in the HCl, here only is a HBr. So this will be replaced by the Cl, Br plus N2 plus Cl minus. So same starting material, same product, but catalyst only differ. In the Salmi reaction, cuprous chloride used. In the Caterman reaction, is a copper powder used. This yield is 80%. Here yield is 40 to 45%. This reaction known as Caterman reaction. Another one is a Barnes-Simon reaction. Replacement by fluorine. C6H5 N double bond N Cl react with the HbF4. This name fluoroboric acid. Removal of HCl to formation of C6H5 N double bond N BF4. This name benzene diazonium fluoroborate insoluble water stable at the room temperature. This in two way. First one is a heater. Heater means first one fluorine react with benzene compound to formation of C6H5F. Removal of N2. Another one is a BF3. This reaction known as Barnes-Simon reaction. Another way, in the presence of sodium nitrite, copper as a catalyst. So Cu plus is a catalyst. Is a how to remove this bond is a break. NO2 attached here. C6H5 NO2 plus nitrogen get liberated. Sodium react with the fluorine to formation NaF plus BF3. This name fluorobenzene. This name nitrobenzene. This is another method. Next, replacement by unsaturated compound. C6H5 N double bond NCl react with C6H5 CH double bond CH COOH. This name cinnamic acid. This bond break, this bond break, this group join here to formation of C6H5 CH double bond CH C6H5 plus CO2 plus HCl. This is unsaturated compound. This name is called stilbene or double bond CH2. This name ethylene. Here one hydrogen can be replaced with a phenyl group. Here one more hydrogen can be replaced with a phenyl group. This name is called diphenyl ethylene or diphenyl ethene. Another method, replacement by aryl group. This reaction known as Gombach reaction. Gombach reaction follow the free radical mechanism. For example, C6H5, N double bond N, Cl, C6H6. This name benzene diazonium chloride. This name benzene. This reaction takes place in the presence of NaOH. C6H5, C6H5, diphenyl and the removal of nitrogen gas plus HCl. How does this reaction takes place? First, benzene diazonium chloride react with NaOH, C6H5, N double bond N, Cl, NaOH. Here, removal of NaCl to formation of C6H5, N double bond N OH. This undergo cleavage as a free radical C6H5 dot plus N2 plus OH minus dot. Another from the benzene, this undergo cleavage C6H5 dot plus H. These are called free radical. These two are combined to formation of C6H5, C6H5 biphenyl. Hydrogen combined with OH group as a water. Nitrogen gas replaced. This mechanism followed by the free radical mechanism, replacement of the aryl group. This name is called Gombach reaction. Another reaction is a reduction reaction.